In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize browser tabs with Copilot in Microsoft Edge. If your browser ever feels cluttered with articles, docs, and shopping pages all at once, this quick workflow will help you bring order back without a lot of effort. Start by opening several tabs in Microsoft Edge, so Copilot has something to work with. These can be any mix of pages, maybe a few research articles, a couple of videos, a news site, and a shopping listing. The goal is to simulate a realistic browsing session where categories naturally emerge. Don't worry about the order right now. Just make sure you have multiple tabs open. Next, open Copilot. In the top right corner of Edge, click the Copilot icon to open the side panel. You'll see a chat box where you can give instructions. If you don't already have Microsoft Edge installed, or you want more details about Copilot, there's a download link for Edge and a link for Copilot information at the very top of the description, so you can get set up quickly. With the Copilot panel open, type a simple instruction like organize my tabs or group my tabs by topic. Keep your request clear and concise. Copilot is designed to interpret intent, so even a short prompt works well. If you have a specific aim, like separating work from personal tabs, you can mention that in your prompt too, but is not required. Copilot will then suggest ways to group or organize your open tabs. You might see categories such as research, shopping, entertainment, or news. Review the suggestions and apply them when they make sense. If Copilot's groups aren't perfect, you can fine-tune by manually arranging any out-of-place tabs. The idea is to let Copilot do the heavy lifting and then make quick adjustments so everything matches how you think. Keep in mind that the exact organizing features you see can depend on your version of Edge and what's currently available in your region or release channel. If you want even more control, Edge's built-in tab groups feature pairs nicely with Copilot's suggestions, letting you label groups and visually color code them for faster scanning, while still sticking to the same overall process you just followed. By the end, your tabs should be neatly grouped, easier to scan, and far quicker to manage. You'll spend less time hunting for the right page and more time focusing on the task at hand. That's all you need to get your browsing under control with Copilot in Microsoft Edge. If this helped, feel free to follow along again the next time your tabs get out of hand. Thanks for watching.